my state friends. The labor flame cool, but the kitchen heard two different signals. CryptoPovar Alert of the day. 80p counted, 44,000 jobs. Private sector hiring came in softer than thought. The forecast was 70 to 75, so the labor market signal lost some of its drive. Rate hike pricing moved down with the news. 58 to 54 became the market view, but that is Fed watch pricing, not the Fed's final call. New data can still change the number. After all, a cooler labor market can ease the rate debate, but weakness in the economy can carry its own weight. One report gives a signal, not the final truth. The official jobs report still has to bring the proof. Your jobs cool down, but the market still wait. Less pressure from another possible rate hike. 44,000 below the forecast line. Alert of the day, a softer mixed design. Jobs cool down, but do not call it clear. Lower rate pressure, higher slow down fear. Less noise, more signal. Watch what comes next. CryptoPovar reads both sides behind the text. Bitcoin keeps holding near 64.6, stronger than the broad market, but the picture remains mixed. Ethereum is near 1.91, yet broad altcoin rotation still has not begun. Golden packs, are drawing defense demand. Some capital wants risk, some want safer land. If official employment confirms a gentle slowdown, rate pressure may ease without pulling growth down. But if the labor market weakens far too fast, the hope of softer policy may meet recession risk at last. The monetary stove became a little less hot, but one softer number does not settle the plot. One report gives a signal, not the final truth. The official jobs report still has to bring the proof. Jobs cool down, but the market still wait. Less pressure from another possible rate hike. 44,000 below the forecast line. Alert of the day, a softer mixed design. Jobs cool down, but do not call it clear. Lower rate pressure, higher slow down fear. Less noise, more signal. No rush, no chase. CryptoPovar watches how the next